welcome to our demo on the WAEC study. I'm going to just walk us through a quick flow on how the interface and interaction with the application works. So right before me is the landing page, which shows basic information of what the website or web application entails, the features. You get a session where you can also see the frequently asked questions, and also we have our payment plan on this interface. Alright, so I'm just going to walk us through how to sign up as a user. We have three categories of users: the students, the sponsors, and the school. So right at the top here, we have a button for sign up. You can also see another button here that says start studying, and as you go through the application, you also have a call to action button here that says sign up now. So whichever of the button you choose to use should lead us to the sign up flow. So I'm just going to click on this right here. Alright, so you're signing up as a user. If you're signing up as a student, it's important to use just enter your first name, your last name, email address, password or confirm password. Then for school and sponsor, it's advisable that whoever is doing this is going to be the school admin. So if you have a school email address, then it's preferable that you use the school email address, but I'm going to start with that of the students. Alright, so here I have a gym store. I'm just going to say gym store 1, 2, 3. That's measure, that's CC. Alright, so the password here, I'm just going to keep it as a basic password. And that password here. Alright, so here you must ensure that your confirmed password matches with what you put in the password field. So it allows you to create an account, which will send you a verification link to the email that you just imputed. Alright, apparently this email already exists in our database, so I'm going to use another email. Alright, so it's waiting to send the information to the database while awaiting our verification link. Alright, good. So as you can see, a success message letting you know that a confirmation link has been sent to this particular email address. And so I'm just going to open the link that was sent to this email address. Alright, so alright, so in case the email did not come in, you also have an option to click on the resend link. So I'm just going to use that option to resend the link to the email. So that's been clicked, and if you come back to your mail and you refresh your mailbox, alright, so here we have the email from our eStudy application. So you can click on the confirm button to confirm your email address. So, I'm just going to copy the link and open it up. Alright, so here you get a notification letting you know that congrats, your email address has been verified, and then it will direct you back to the login page, so you can proceed to enter your email address and then the password that you use while signing up. Alright, so this will lead us to our onboarding flow, where you get to select what category of user you are, either as a student, co-responsible. In this case, I'm starting with a student, so I select the students. Alright, you get to choose a path. Are you a science student, a commercial student, or an art student? I'm just going to work with science. And then you are expected to input your date of birth, your country, your gender, and the state to which you belong. Link has been sent to our email address. No, we don't have no job without this particular student is for signing up. And here you can see the exact the mail from the eStudy application. So you can proceed to verify the email address. Alright, so this lets you know that congrats, your account has been successfully verified, and then you can proceed to log in by entering your email address and then the password. Being a first-time user, you are expected to onboard on the application, so this leads you to where you get to select what category of user you are. Are you a student, a school, or a sponsor that wants to onboard?